driving in my car. Vroom, vroom. Beep, beep. Oh, hi. Let's pretend we're driving. But first, we have to buckle our safety belt. Here we go. Driving, driving in my car, going very far, down the street in my car. Driving, driving in my car, feeling like a star, bouncing down the street in my car. Driving, driving in my car, turn the handlebar, speeding down the street in my car. Yeah, woohoo! Bouncing on a bumpy road, stopping for a hopping toad, going to my favorite park. Hurry before it gets dark. In my car, in my car. Driving, driving in my car, going very far, down the street in my car. Driving, driving in my car, feeling like a star, bouncing down the street in my car. Driving, driving in my car, turn the handlebar, speeding down the street in my car. Vroom, vroom. Hootin' tootin' on the horn, driving round from dusk till dawn, going near and going far. I'm a superstar. Woo! In my car. Vroom, vroom. In my car. Driving in my car. Driving in my car. Driving in my car. Driving.
Whoa, this is hard work. Oh, look, it's the Tallyman.
Who's a Tallyman?
He tallies the bananas. That means he counts them.
That's a lot of counting. Look at all these bananas.
Day-o, I say day-o. Daylight's coming and I wanna go home. Day-o, I say day-o. Daylight's coming and I wanna go home. Work all night till the morning comes. Daylight's coming and I wanna go home. Stack bananas till the morning comes. Daylight's coming and I wanna go home. Come, Mr. Tallyman, tally my bananas. Daylight's coming and I wanna go home. Come, Mr. Tallyman, tally my bananas. Daylight's coming and I wanna go home. Day-o, I say day-o. Daylight's coming and I wanna go home. Day-o, I say day-o. Daylight's coming and I wanna go home. A beautiful bunch of ripe bananas. Daylight's coming and I wanna go home. 6-hand, 7-hand, 8-hand bunch. Daylight's coming and I wanna go home. Come, Mr. Tallyman, tally my bananas. Daylight's coming and I wanna go home. Come, Mr. Tallyman, tally my bananas. Daylight's coming and I wanna go home. Day-o, I say day-o. Daylight's coming and I wanna go home. Day-o, I say day-o. Daylight's coming and I wanna go home. Oh, day-o, I say day-o. Daylight's coming and I wanna go home. Day-o, I say day-o. Daylight's coming and I wanna go home. Daylight's coming and I wanna go home. Daylight's coming and I wanna go home. Now it's time to rise and shine, brush my teeth and tie my shoes. The day has come, it's time to run. hug the day and meet the sun.
Powering up. Let's play robots. Let's all do the robot dance.
Row, row, robot. Go, 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 bot. Rockin' robot. Do the robot dance. Rock, rock around the clock. Rock, rock around the block. Rockin' robot. Do the robot dance. Rockin' robot. Hop into the beat. Rockin' robot. Bopping down the street. Rockin' robot. Stopping for a treat. Rockin' robot. Hop on metal feet. Do the robot dance. Do the robot dance. Row, row, robot. Go, 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 bot. Rockin' robot. Do the robot dance. Rock, rock around the clock. Rock, rock around the block. Rockin' robot. Do the robot dance. Rockin' robot. Pop into the beat. Rockin' robot. Bopping down the street. Rockin' robot. Stopping for a treat. Rockin' robot. Let's robot you and me. Rockin' robot. Do the robot dance. Rockin' robot. Do the robot dance. Rockin' robot. Do the robot dance. Rockin' robot. Do the robot dance.
Thanks for playing with us. Powering down.
Da-da-da-da-da-da. Hooray! That makes me happy.
When I'm happy, I clap my hands.
When I'm happy, I stomp my feet.
And I shout, hooray! What do you do when you're happy?
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet.
If you're happy and you know it, smile. If you're happy and you know it, smile. If you're happy and you know it, if you're happy and you know it, if you're happy and you know it, smile. If you're happy and you know it, smile.
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, say ha ha, ha ha! If you're happy and you know it, say ha ha, ha ha! If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, say ha ha, ha ha! If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Hey, gang. Welcome to my good friend, Old MacDonald's farm.
Wow, this place is so cool. Excuse me.
What was that?
Oh, that's just Bessie. Let me tell you a little bit about Old MacDonald's farm. Would you help us sing along?
Oh, yay! Cool.
Awesome.
Great!
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald
It's nice to see you again. Can you come over today? After school and we can play. Build a town with my new blocks, or paint while wearing smocks. We can run around outside, climb a tree or take a ride, on a scooter or on a bike. We'll go anywhere you like, to the park, to the zoo. Yeah! You know what? There's so much we can do. Come on! Hello friend, let's walk home, hand in hand. My mom says it's okay if you come and stay the day. Maybe we can make a fort, play restaurant and supermart. I'll share all my toys with you, even all the stuff that's new. You wanna play a video game? Sure! I'll help you type in your name. I know how to wait my turn. We're gonna have so much fun. Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Hello friend. Our play date has come to an end. Let's pick up our toys off the floor. I'll walk you to the front door. Before you go, I want to say thanks for playing with me today. Next time I'll come to your place. I'll bring my cars. We'll have a race. Let's get together real soon. How about tomorrow afternoon? Goodbye, friend. Goodbye, friend. Goodbye till we meet again. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye.
Wow, look at these roses.
This reminds me of a fun song and game. Have you ever played Ring Around the Rosie?
Yeah. Can I play?
Sure. Come on.
Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Skipping and a singing and having lots of fun. Laughing, running underneath the sun. Skipping and a singing and having lots of fun. Laughing, running underneath the sun. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down.
Now you sing it.
Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down.
Skipping and a singing and having lots of fun. Laughing, running underneath the sun. Skipping and a singing and having lots of fun. Laughing, running underneath the sun. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down.
Ooh, vanilla.
Chocolate.
Strawberry.